So guys, auntie is back. So, sumobra siya. Baba na, baba na. See?
What's up, zztvids? Today video is we will fly already, but we are feeding them.
Yeah, we wait for them and then we will enter the code. So, I will teach you guys how to do the racing. So, when flyer arrive, we will get the sticker and then text it. So, we get the speed.
And then we can put it right over here.
So, come on, let's go up. Can you teleport us?
Yeah. Abracadabra.
Oh, thank you for teleporting us. So, guys,
Fly them.
oh, let's wait for Flyer and Auntie Zane.
Yeah.
And then we'll show them how to text the code. How to race. Okay?
Yeah, like this.
But for...
Move this like this one. To use like a quarter and then scratch it.
But for now, I'll just keep some food on this
I saw
one.
Something.
On the papa.
I saw something.
Where's your coin? Did you bring a coin?
Oh,
How will we scratch it? With the finger nail? How?
When I go to TV.
I'll get along. Not you na.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? So I teleport Papa down there, and then he got his coins because I got two big coins.
We need that one to scratch the code
Yeah.
later. So, it's expected to arrive at 7:26. Let's see if Flyer or Auntie can race fast with the others. So, ang toss nila guys is Baras Rizal. Kondisyon na to. So, hintayin na lang natin yung race niya. Papa Flyer.
That's fire.
Not yet.
Auntie.
Not yet. So I'll just clean a little. Guys, we'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
What?
Where is my flyer?
Where's your Flyer? We wait. So guys, ang ganda ng panahon. Oh, may mga kalapating lumilipad. Peke tayo. So guys, abang-abang pa tayo konti. Tingnan natin kung papalag na sila sa pooling.
Papa, that baby look like almost flyer because he have the finger, the color one.
On the neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, look like Papa and Flyer.
Yeah, because we have that. What we make the sound like? Papa, how a puppet sound make?
Huh?
Like that?
A what?
A puppet sound make
Ah,
like?
puppet sound.
Go.
So guys, expected dadating na sila. Pero tingnan natin sa clocking.
My flyer. My flyer. Yeah, we're the paano. Go there.
Why? He ate Papa's Flyer food.
Papa, where you got that sugar from? Your poop?
No, when I'm washing the dishes.
What happened?
Cut myself. What?
Fryer.
Your flyer's coming? Yeah. Oh, it's a bird. We thought it's a flyer, but it's a bird. Oh, again, it's a bird. Let's check if they already have someone on the clocking system. Okay? Why are you making face? Make face.
So guys, we just whistled the flyer and then nothing happened.
Yeah.
But there's also something flying there. That's a bird.
Yep, it's a bird. Or it's a plane.
Must be
Or
a plane.
must be Superman.
No, Superman don't have wings.
Guys, yeah, maliwanag. So, wala
So
pa.
guys,
What's that? Who's that coming? Is that our cuckoo? Oh no, that's not.
is it?
It's just a neighbor's.
I want my flyer.
Want your flyer back na?
With my flyer. I want my flyer.
We want flyer to win. We want flyer to win. We want flyer to win. So this is the first that the pulling natin siya. And tingnan natin kung ano magiging place ni flyer. Are you making that place? Flyer na. It's coming na ba? What time is it na ba?
7:30.
Oh yeah, 7:32. So they should arrive na. No, they're still not here. Baka meron nang nagpa-clock. And we lost the race. So we only have one winner kapag pooling. Or depende sa dami ng kasali.
No, cuckoos take long to fly.
Yeah. But sometimes they can go faster.
Yeah, like them. You see them? They're not going. Oh, what's that?
What's that?
I'm a cuckoo.
Is that ours?
Yeah. I saw one black cuckoo. Who's that cuckoo?
I don't know if that black is not going here. Hindi sa atin yun.
This is our guys. Our cat.
Here. Guys, you see the cat?
That's ours. That's
Our cat.
ours.
So guys, abang-abang lang.
Papa, the floor it's lava.
Where's lava? Where you go? Go on me. Oh no, I got burned by the lava. So guys, tingin lang tayo sa clocking kung meron nang nagpa-clock. So guys, 7:35. Meron nang isa, dalawa, tatlo. Dito pala tayo kasali. Meron nang isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. I thought we were gonna wait for flyer.
Papa, can you fly
Yeah.
No?
What no?
Papa? Can you fly it up here, okay?
Okay. So someone. So someone, is it the auntie? There are some few pigeons na doon, dumadaan na. You see some?
They are the neighbors.
Yeah. That's why it's called the race. Need to race with the other fanciers.
Wow.
And then who's the fastest will be the winner. So guys, mukhang di pa nila kaya sa sabayan yung iba at 7:37 na. Want to go down na?
This is a secret. It's not for you. It's not for them. It's not for Buyana. It's just you need to look.
Need to hide it?
It's not done yet. So,
Okay. So, I'll bring you down na.
make something with this one.
So guys, madami doon dumaan. But talo na tayo sa pooling, guys. Tayo na lang natin dumating si Flyer at si Auntie. So guys, hindi pa nila kayang makipagsabayan sa pooling. Pero tinesting lang natin silang dalawa. Malay mo makachamba. So abangan lang natin guys. Dane is back.
What the?
You're back. You're back up here. But we are waiting for Auntie and Flyer.
Yeah, guys. So I was trying to make my name on this one. Zay. Look.
Is that your art paper?
Yeah. I accidentally used it. But you can't look in it. It is something I can't show you. There's nothing I can show you guys.
Can show
Don't
us.
tell anyone I have this one. A cuckoo.
So guys, ang bagal nila ngayon. So hindi pa natin kaya mag-pooling. But papatrayin pa rin natin si Zane mag-clock. So magta-try siya mag-clock kay Flyer or kay Auntie. So guys, Auntie is back. So, sumobra siya. Baba na, baba na. See? Bara ako pala yung Flyer na yun ah. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Who's that? Oh. I thought it's flyer na. Go.
So guys, we got the code from the auntie. From that.
And you scratch it. Scratch it so you can see the code.
But it is 4329.
43DY29.
Yeah.
That's the auntie's code. Let's wait for liar. I think that's
These
him.
are all the cookies.
Or is that you? Oh, not yet.
Papa, these are all the cuckoo's code.
Yeah, when they raced before.
Papa, who's this code? The babies? Is it the baby code?
That's the Papa's code.
Oh. Papa, what's this? A spicy one? A spicy coin?
No, there's no spicy corn.
Look in my hand. What's this?
A corn, red corn.
It looks like a spicy coin.
Oh, you did not close the door na naman daw. Katie, eat all the food na. I told you always close the door when you go outside.
1 hour later.
Jane, look who's here. It's Flyer. But tamlay siya.